Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down, just like this, and after that screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. One last time, volume down, power key, as easy as it is. You can find your screenshots in Photos, in the section Screenshots. And here our new screenshots. So from here you can share, edit, delete them, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.